If you want to take a screenshot without buttons on OPPO Reno 15, then we have many different ways that allow you to do so. For example, what you can do is you can go to the control center, and over here you can find this button that allows you to quickly capture a full screenshot. You can also tap on the screenshot text in order to find the option to capture a scrolling screenshot and the partial screenshot. You can also use 3 fingers, and you can swipe down on the screen with 3 fingers to capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on this screen in order to capture a partial screenshot like that, or you should also be able to press and hold 3 fingers and then swipe down from the starting area to also select the area of the partial screenshot that you want to take. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can use the sidebar. If you have sidebar activated, then by default we have the screenshot button in here as well. And also, if we go to settings and scroll down to accessibility and convenience, then we can go to accessibility over here. We can find the accessibility menu and we can enable the shortcut over here. And if you do so, in the shortcut, if you go to that shortcut, if you open this menu, you should be able to find the screenshot option in here as well. Now for the 3 finger gestures, if they do not work for you for some reason or any of them, you can go to the screenshot option in accessibility and convenience, and you want to make sure that these 2 options are enabled if you want to use them. Leave a like and subscribe.